So after over 2 decades, the greatest club bully in the history of football, Lionel Andres Messi Cucitini, appears to be on his way out of Barcelona. Or is he? We've heard these bluffings from Messi before, but it has never reached to the level of putting in a transfer request. So in the midst of the dismantling of the Catalan Giants, after their mega Champions League embarrassment, Messi looks serious this time. Of course, there will be contractual issues to sort out, including what Barcelona claims is a €700 million buyout clause in Messi's contract. Personally, this looks like another one of Messi's devious powerhouse moves aimed at getting rid of the current Barcelona president. So even before we start to speculate about where would Messi want to go and which club can or cannot afford him or which system would he fit into, even at 33, now past his prime and starting to lose his bargaining chips, me still feels that Messi is a coward at heart. And he's still scared to leave his comfort zone at Barcelona. If I were a betting man, I would have buy this double here. Yes, hear this double here. Bet that in a matter of days, the Barcelona president will resign and Messi will change his mind. Yes, and remain a Barcelona player next season, and the other season, and the other season, and the other season, and the other season, till he start get old and gray, yes, and the other season.